afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be making the popular Thai dish. It's called Som Tum. Here are the ingredients. First we have long beans. Then we have raw papaya, soy sauce, palm sugar, some lime, some chilies, some garlic, some peanuts, cherry tomatoes, and lettuce. First, we peel the papaya. Then, we cut the papaya to remove the seeds out of it. Now, we shred the papaya. Now we pound the garlic and the chili together in a pesto. Now we add long beans and cherry tomatoes in the pesto to release the juices. Just a handful and a spoonful of tomatoes. And then we pound to release the juices. Now we squeeze the lime to dissolve the palm sugar. Now we pour in some soy sauce. Now we add them to the mix. At last, we add the nuts to the mix and crush. Now we add the raw papaya to the mix in the pesto and mix. And the result is absolutely astonishing. This is our homemade Som Tum. This is healthy and tastes delicious. Thank you for watching.